prepped my model Charlie's hair using Bedhead for Men's clean-up shampoo. I created my skin fade on Charlie's hair by starting with a small trimmer to create the first guideline from the temple to the back of the head shape, and then from the back of the head shape to the temple. This is going to create the shortest length of hair for the fade. I then used my clipper with the number 2 guard to remove the bulk throughout the whole entire horseshoe of the head shape. So once the bulk was removed with the 2 guard, I removed the guard from the clipper, opened the taper arm and continued the fade process. Continue the fade process working in 1/4 inch sections. Then apply the half guards to your clipper, open the taper arm and continue the fade. At this point you should start to see the fade come in and start to check for any lines and dark spots that you may have within the fade area. Now work through the top section using deep parallel point cutting in the comb to add texture and movement to the hair. Now blow dry the hair into the shape that you desire and add Bedhead for Men's matte separation wax to add texture and define the look.